Good day everyone, I am John Ronald Berha and I am going to be discussing today is automated threat hunting. What is automated threat hunting? In today's rapidly evolving cybersecurity landscape, traditional methods alone are no longer sufficient to protect our systems and data. This is where automated threat hunting comes into play. A proactive approach that leverages advanced technologies to detect and mitigate threats before they can cause harm. It is also prominent in proactively identifying and mitigating emerging threats. These solutions will help organize stay ahead of threat across by continuously monitoring for signs of compromise. Next is rapid data collection. The vast amount of data from systems and networks can overwhelm manual analysis. Automation tools, often using AI and machine learning, can collect and analyze logs to detect anomalies or suspicious patterns. This consists of approach leverages advanced technologies including machine learning, artificial intelligence, and big data analytics to detect anomalies and potential threats in real time or near real time. And here are some components of the automated tools such as threat hunting platforms. These are specialized softwares designed to continuously monitor network traffic, endpoints, and other IT infrastructures, or for signs of malicious activity. There are also AI and machine learning algorithms that can learn past data and identify patterns indicative of potential threats. There are also big data analytics techniques to handle or analyze vast amounts of data from various sources to find correlations and anomalies. Next is threat intelligence aggregation. But what is aggregation? This is the formation of a number of things into a cluster. And if we base that on what I was talking about earlier, it is the collection of information or data that is collected into a cluster. Next, the threat intelligence aggregation is This is a sophisticated automation which enables organizations to use behavioral analysis to establish baselines for normal system behavior. Deviations trigger alerts indicating potential threats. These tools continuously monitor activities for real-time anomaly detection. Configuration changes and threat behaviors. AI and machine learning enhance detection by identifying patterns traditional methods might miss. Threat intelligence aggregation is also based on automated threat hunting, involves collecting, correlating, and analyzing threat data from multiple sources using automated tools and techniques which was discussed prior. This process enhances the ability to identify and understand potential threats, enabling quicker and more effective responses. Okay, next is the behavioral analysis. Threat hunters analyze adversary behaviors, test techniques, and create high-fidelity, actionable detections, leveraging past and investigations and testing. They provide key artifacts and effective responses, actions. Approach improves tool quality, ensures true positive detection, and provides necessary context for reporting and response. Behavioral analysis also involves the continuous monitoring, collection, and analysis of user system and network behavior to detect anomalies that may indicate a cybersecurity threat. This approach leverages automation, machine learning, and big data analytics to identify patterns and behavior that deviate from the norm, which may signify malicious activity. Okay, Next is the incident response orchestration. Incident response orchestration involves coordinating and automating the process and actions required to identify, contain, and remediate cybersecurity threats. This approach leverages automated tools and predefined workflows to streamline incident response activities, enabling faster and more efficient handling of security incidents. Also, these platforms will gain prominence in proactively identifying and mitigating emerging threats. These solutions will help organizations stay ahead of threat actors by continuously monitoring for signs of compromise. Finally, we have continuous improvement. In threat hunting, speed and accuracy are crucial. Automation boosts remediation speed by providing pre-stage research, scripts, queries, and response actions. It also enhances accuracy by using pre-tested and verified methods, ensuring consistent resource and content for all analysts. This gives analysts a clear incident picture and effective immediate action. It also involves an ongoing cycle of evaluating and enhancing threat detection, analysis, and response process. This approach leverages feedback loops, advanced analytics, and machine learning to refine and optimize cybersecurity practice over time. Here are the key components and benefits of continuous improvement in automated threat hunting. Feedback loops. There is incident analysis, which is the post-incident reviews to analyze what worked and what didn't and why. There are also user feedbacks, gathering input from security analysts and other stakeholders to identify areas for improvement. And we have data-driven insights. This consists of threat intelligence updates, which is regularly updating threat intelligence feeds and database to reflect the latest threats and vulnerabilities. We also have behavioral analytics, which was discussed prior, continuously refining behavioral baselines and anomaly detection algorithms based on new data. Finally, the conclusion. It is threat hunting offers numerous benefits. What are those benefits? It significantly enhances an organization's cybersecurity postures. And I'll give you some key advantages or key benefits of threat hunting. One is speed and efficiency. It gives rapid detection, which are automated systems that can continuously monitor and analyze vast amounts of data in real time, quickly identifying potential threats. And it also gives faster response. Automated workflows enable immediate responses to detected threats, minimizing the time attackers have to cause damage. It is also has the scalability, where it can handle large data volumes capable of processing and analyzing large volumes of data from diverse sources without human intervention. It is also adaptability, which can easily be scaled to cover extensive and complex IT environments, accommodating the growth of an organization's digital footprint. Third, the accuracy and precision. It has reduced false positives because of machine learning algorithms that can be trained to minimize false positives, focusing on genuine threats. And there is also continuous improvement. System learns from new data and incidents, refining detection capabilities over time. And fourth is the cost and effectiveness, which reduce the workload on human analysts by automating routine tasks, allowing them to focus on more complex and strategic activities. And there is also operational savings, which decreases the need for extensive manual monitoring and intervention, And that is all. Thank you. My name is John Ronald Berha, and I am signing off.